Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring Windows is up to date and running a clean baseline. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, and install Updates now. Once done, change power mode from Best Performance to Balanced or Power Saver in the Battery menu to stop aggressive CPU scaling. Make sure to disconnect external drives and Bluetooth devices to rule out hardware pull. You'll also run a quick disk cleanup and reboot, because temporary files and a fresh kernel state often reduce phantom drain immediately. Now you dig into the system. Open Task Manager, sort by power usage and background activity to identify culprits, and end tasks you don't need. Next, run powercug/energy from an elevated command prompt to collect a 2-minute diagnostics report. Review errors and warnings it lists. Make sure you update critical drivers, chipset, graphics, and wireless, because bad drivers cause constant wake events. Once driver installs finish, reboot and check that the same processes aren't returning to high power states. For final tuning, open Power Options, edit your plan, and set the display to turn off sooner and reduce the minimum processor state to 20% or lower. This saves idle power. Disable fast startup and disable wake timers so scheduled tasks don't wake the device unexpectedly. If you still see abnormal drain, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party software. If drain stops, uninstall recent apps or perform a clean boot. If none of this helps, try restoring to a recent system restore point.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.